Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Bluetooth not working on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to reconnect your Bluetooth device successfully. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.